Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. Welcome to the lecture number 11 of Software Engineering 2 or Advanced Software Engineering course. I am starting chapter number 25 of Software Quality Process from Pressman and Somerville both you can use, but this chapter slides are from the Pressman. There is no such thing as a perfect method. Methods always can be improved upon. This is saying from Walter Deber, and it's absolutely correct. What's a process? Process is a standard methodology in a company to analyze, design, and implement the software system. That is about the software engineering. But in general, software process is a series of actions or steps to achieve a particular task in the form of a product or a service. We may not realize it, but processes are everywhere and in every aspect of our layer and work. Like, for example, prepare breakfast, when we place an order, develop a budget, writing a computer program, gathering collection or collecting requirements from the customer, and so on. The quality of the system is highly affected by the quality of the process. In order to analyze, in order to develop, and in order to maintain the software. So everyone realized the importance of process, that quality is embedded by having a quality process in a product or a service. What are the symptoms of software process failure? Like commitment consistently missed in terms of late deliveries, last minute changes, increasing cost, no management visibility into the progress. You are always being surprised, quality problems, too much rework, functions are not working according to customer requirements, customer is complaining about the defects or about the late delivery, poor morale, people are frustrated, everyone is in charge or there is no one in charge. What is the solution of these problems? Software quality and process improvement with quality standards like ISO and the Software Engineering Institute Capability Maturity Model, the CMM. There is another concept, it's called TQM. T for tiger, Q for queen, M for monkey. No, it's total quality management. What is total? What is quality? What is management? Total means everyone in the company is responsible for all activities, including the top management, middle management, lower management. And quality, product or software must function according to customer requirements or a service. Management means planning, monitoring, and control the quality. So when we talk about total, we talk about quality, we talk about management. So how to define total quality management? A process for managing quality, and it's a philosophy of continuous improvement in everything in the organization. TQM has principles. What are those principles? Quality can and must be managed. Everyone has a customer and a supplier. Processes are the problem, not the people. Every employee, whether he belongs to top management, middle management, lower management, are responsible for quality. So all employees are responsible, not single one. Problems must be prevented, not just fixed. Quality must be measured continuously throughout the process. And there must be improvement, and this improvement must be continuous. Life cycle cost, not the front end cost. Top management must be involved and lead from the front. plan and organize for quality improvement. There is a cycle, it's called PDCA. P for parrot, D for donkey, hammer, C for cat, A for apple. No, it's a plan, do, check, act cycle. Plan like a project or a product, you need to plan. You need to define you need to establish set of objectives, goals, and define the process that is going to be followed to accomplish those specific tasks. Do, implement the plan, execute the process to deliver the service. Check. Check means verification, analyze the results. What are the expected results and what are the actual results? There are differences or there are no differences. Act. After the analysis, take the corrective action for the mistakes or the lackness to close the difference or remove the difference between the actual results and the expected results. Take the corrective action if there is significant difference between actual and the expected results. Find the root cause for the differences. Change your process if there are significant differences as per the findings to improve it. There is a Deming chain reaction. Improve quality. Cost decreases because of less rework, less mistakes, less delay, better design, efficient use of resources and material. Capability improves as an organization. You can capture the market with better quality and less cost. Profit will increase and more jobs will be created. Then you will stay in the business, like the case of Samsung company, like the case of Apple company, like the case of Siemens company. Samsung, Siemens, Apple, there are so many examples. Software development process has goals, and the goals are high quality, low cost, on-time delivery, and other social and market considerations. Ideal software process model must be predictable, defined and standardized, and statistically controlled. Predictable means consistency in the cost schedule estimations, meet the quality and functional requirements, defined independent of individuals, and it should be repeatable. Statistically controlled means you have continuous measurement metrics, you have statistical data to analyze and optimize based on the results. ISO has lot of variations, ISO 9000, ISO 1, 2, 3, 10, 14 and so on. Which of the ISO is applicable for software companies? It's ISO 9001. Initially it was version 2000, then 2005, 2008. The recent one is ISO 9001 version 2015, and it is applicable for software companies and for other sectors, for product-oriented companies, service-oriented companies. There is TQM, Total Quality Management, Software Engineering Institute, Capability Maturity Model, and Capability Maturity Model Integration. ISO 9001 or 9000 has set of principles. Objective is focus the customer, leadership skills, improvement of people in terms of your team, process approach, system approach to management, continuous improvement, factual database approach, statistical data to decision making, mutually beneficial for supplier and for the customer, How many type of organizations? We have product-oriented organizations and we have service-oriented organizations like STC, Saudi Electricity Company, Almarai, Unilever, Nestle, Microsoft, Apple, Google. They have products as well as they have services like Toyota Company, Honda Company. They have products and they have service centers to maintain or repair your car. ISO has clauses. ISO 9001 has 10 clauses. First 4 clauses defines introduction, scope, terms and definitions, and clauses number 5 to 10 provides the mandatory requirements that should be implemented and recorded and documented in the quality management system for audit purposes. Class 5 is for the leadership, Class 6 for planning, Class 7 for support, Class 8 for operation, Class 9 for performance evaluation, and Class 10 for improvement. Thank you very much. Jazakallah khair. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.